last she's away. That's half throttle. And she's a treat to see in the air, that's for sure. So I'm in the full gyro mode. The wind keeps shifting around. I'm missing not having my battery telemetry. I might change the receiver out for something. That's got the telemetry on it. Obviously, being a first flight, I'm not going to be doing anything too silly. Well, not intentionally anyway. So as I say, that's on the medium rates, which I think I'll keep it on. Just when I get the hang of it, I'm really only just doing circuits. Let's see if we can do a rudder turn. Now, with the rates as they are, and I've toned the rudder right down, so rudder turns aren't effective. I might have to have a sort of launch mode where we can play around with the rudder setting. But hey, it certainly looks the part. Beautiful. I guess my shiny polish helps, although the sun's gone in now. And we've got a lovely crosswind straight across the runway now. And I can feel the wind actually on my back. Not having the telemetry, I don't know what our battery status is. Well, I almost made it to the runway. I think we'll call that success for the day. I must sort out its ground handling and sort out something with the rudder there. As far as I'm concerned, getting it all back in one piece with a propeller, I'm a happy boy. And so the nice shiny P-51 lives to fly another day. I will take the advice of our chairman, Tom, and splay the main gear out a couple of degrees and see if we can get it tracking on the ground a lot better. I'll be a lot happier taking off under control. Many thanks for watching.